Hi again, everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a minor from a student's record. So we're going to go to SFAREGS, S-F-A-R-E-G-S, hit enter, enter the term code of 2014-10, enter the student ID if you have it. If not, do a name search. I'm going to look up Banner Bob's record, hit the enter key, it brings up his record, and as always I'm going to click the view current/active curricula so I only get his most current curricular record, so that I don't get confused by looking at his history of what changes he's made over the course of time. Next will be click on the next block button, and then click on curricula. Now Banner Bob has two majors. I see that because he has two records here. His first record is chemistry, and his second record is biology. All changes that you make to a minor or a concentration are made on the first record. So I'm going to go back by clicking the previous record. We're now on record 1 of 2, which is chemistry. As always, I'm going to click on the duplicate button. The duplicate button is going to save everything to history, and then we can go ahead and make our changes to this record that it brings up for us. Minors are stored on the Field of Study tab, so I click on the Field of Study. Let's say we want to remove the communications minor. He still wants to keep the German minor, but we're going to move the communications. So I'm going to click on this row right here. It highlights it. Then I'm going to remove it by doing a record remove. You see that our priority here is a 3 when it actually should be a 2. So I'm going to change this to a 2. It should be a 2 because our major is number 1 and then our second row should be a 2. So we're going to keep our German minor as a second priority. All we need to do is save it now. Check down here at the bottom of the screen. It says transaction complete, 3 records applied and saved. To check our work, we click on rollback 2 times. It goes up to the top. We go back down by clicking the next block, then curricula, then the field of study, and we see now that he's a chemistry major and a German minor, which is what we wanted. So we're done. If we want to do another student, we just click on rollback and put in another student. If we're completely done, we click on the exit to go back to the main screen. That's the end of this video. Our next video will show you how to remove a second major from a student's record.